You're an accuser.
Accusing? I am coming with facts. The reason you defend Landwana so much is because you and him were screwing each other, indeed. And please, don't insult the two of us by trying to pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. We CEO, Soleka, sleeping with an employee. It's scandalous. The headlines. That is a dismissible offense. It will destroy everything we have built.
I'm not. Not anymore, Lazarus.
Oh. So you were?
Udadu Lazarus says about Uma way to no mama. And them being intimate. Imagine a bears.
Where did you get that?
Yeah. Oh.
Lazarus.
Did you sleep with Mawetu or not?
Yeah. It was long before it was shot. Lazarus.
Don't.
Yeah, I was such a million pounds. We emphasize straight.
Hey, come here, come here.
I don't think close to home to the international gig.
Oh, you know, you from the 7th Angel. I have to be honest with you, Sam. I'm not going be moving for one away. New country, no new perspective, a fresh start. Come on.
From a fresh start. So I think we are going to move la pa unompelo because anzukwazi lepkana nawe mina ngapha phesheya kolwandle mfana.
Relax, eh. Zimhlamba mfana. Hey, yazi mfethu. Angiqonisise kahle lena kaLazarus lawe. Washo bendismise ngale office mfana ningathi ili very spiteful la will ya.
Ujuba mfana.
Mfana ndiyazi lena ndibonileyo bra. That was not business talk.
Yeah,
Washo benjoye ngala msithi ngathi khona nomenze yona mfethu. Hani angicinga nonhlami ngiyokhona nomuntu omhlebezelayo njengalentwana ubalonana le. Onga.
Man, ongamfethu akakhangeleki ngathi zezitsotsi zihlebayo nje mfana.
Asuka uyazi lapho nalonto le. Umazi ngoku musomjita lo spin 5 minutes dog. And siyayazi musiyena no Lazarus ba 99 lawe.
Manje mhlambe nguwe mfundini. Sengiwajonga lento yakaqhawe iphinde ibe sisipane ngabe mhlambe yonke lento ifikela nje ngexesha li1.
Okanye phone nikhona lo ungangixeli ba kwenzeka ntoni bra.
Na mhlambe nawo nje ulipharapara nje uyaphaphazela mfundini.
Mhlambe ke mfethu but I'm telling you I'm going to get to the bottom of this. I'm telling you bro. Come you shower this.